Hey Twinkl parents, today we're going to be looking at making our own seed bombs. Seed bombs are a great way to plant wildflower, add a splash of colour and provide essential food for a range of insects. To create your seed bombs, you will need a tray to dry out the seed bombs, peat-free compost, wildflower seeds, powdered clay, water and a large mixing bowl to mix your ingredients. To make your seed bombs, add the clay, compost, seed and water to your mixing bowl. Use your hands or a stick to mix everything together. Add more water if needed and make sure that the seeds are evenly spread out throughout the mixture. Now it's time to use your hands to roll the mixture into firm balls about the size of a golf ball. Once you've done this, place the seed bombs onto a tray and leave them to dry in the sun. Once you've done this, you then need to store your seed bombs in a cardboard box until they are ready to use. You could even get your little ones to create their own designs on the outside of the box. So, how do you plant your seed bombs? Gently throw your seed bombs into some bare soil in a sunny spot in your garden or outdoor area. The best time to plant seed bombs are in early spring or early autumn when they will get some rain. Then wait and see what flowers grow.